Okay guys, just open your settings application, then select general tab, then select AirDrop. You can see here this option, and you can see here there's three options like receiving off, contacts only, everyone for 10 minutes. I'm going to set this one everyone for 10 minutes. That means if you turn on the AirDrop, everyone see your device for the first 10 minutes. After that it will be going to receiving off. Okay, and that's guys very simple tutorial. And you can, if you turn on this feature, this will be enable your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth automatically. You can see here my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is enabled automatically. So if you turn on any one of the feature like contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes, this will be turn on your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. That's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.